Question number two. This question is from Newton's laws of motion. A car of mass 1500 kg is towing a trailer of mass mkg along a straight horizontal road. The car and the trailer are connected by a tow bar which is horizontal, light and rigid. This tow bar will be light and rigid. There is a resistance force of F Newton on the car and the resistance force of 200 Newton on the trailer. The driving force of the car's engine is 3200 Newton. The acceleration of the car is 1.25 meter per second square, and the tension in the tow bar is 300 Newton. Find the value of M and the value of F. For this, we sketch a diagram to understand this completely. Horizontal road, this is horizontal road, this is trailer, car, rigid, lightweight tow bar, this is trailer, this is car, and masses are given 1500 kg mass of car, mkg is the mass of trailer. First of all, we will mention the forces acting on the system. Driving force of the car, driving force of the car, df means driving force, that is given 3200 Newton. Driving force of the car's engine 3200 Newton, and the resistance force acting on the car, that is represented by capital F. So this will be the resistance force acting opposite in the direction of motion. In the same way, resistance force acting on the trailer is 200 Newton. The tension in the tow bar, this is the tension we are representing here, the tension. These are the tensions. Tension is given, T is equal to 300 Newton. Acceleration of the car is given, that is 1.25 meter per second square. Now we are using, we will make two equations for car and trailer. Now first we are Considering cars motion, we are using here Newton's law of motion, second law of Newton for car. Driving force, net force will be driving force minus force of resistance force minus this tension, because the direction of tension is in opposite direction of the motion. So net force will be driving for car, driving force minus resistance force minus tension. This is net force is equal to ma. F is equal to ma. We are using this Newton's second law of motion. Now putting the values, driving force is 3200 Newton, force of resistance force minus tension is 300 is equal to 1500 A. From here we can find F 2900 minus F is equal to 1500 into A is 1.25. So from here we can find F. F will be 2900 minus 1500 into 1.25. So we get from here F is equal to 1025 Newton. This is the resistance force. 1025 Newton. This is the answer. And also we have to find the value of M, that is the mass of the trailer. Now we are considering the motion of trailer. Again we are using here Newton's second law of motion. The force is net force for trailer will be T minus this resistance force is equal to ma. Newton's second law of motion. So T minus resistance force is equal to ma. A is 1.25, because the acceleration of the car is the same as the acceleration of this trailer. So putting the values, P is 300, F is 200, F is given for trailer, resistance force for trailer is 200 is equal to M into 1.25, that is acceleration. So simplifying we get 100 is equal to 1.25 M. From here M will be 100 over 1.25. So finally we get M is equal to 80 kg. This is the answer.